Hey everyone, Professor Michael Scanlon here. Happy Saturday, the day named after Saturn. So, we're going to explore this incredibly famous planet. It is famous probably the most because of its rings. But keep in mind, as we mentioned when we were talking about Jupiter on Thursday, that all four Jovian planets, it is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, have a ring system. But let's go ahead and check out Saturn's rings as we travel from Earth to Saturn. Now, as with Jupiter, I think some of the moons of Saturn are absolutely incredible, more so than the planet itself. So these rings are incredibly wide, all right, but they're incredibly thin. In fact, sometimes you can't even see the rings of Saturn when it's angled just right in its orbit compared to us. The rings are only, 30 feet thick on average, maybe 100 feet thick in some places. They're incredibly thin. They're really wide, but they're very thin. More interesting to me, anyway, is this incredible hexagon at Saturn's North Pole. This is a hexagonal vortex, makes this perfect shape. There's not one on the South Pole. I mean, there's a southern vertex. I'm sorry, yeah, vortex, not vertex. There's a southern vertex. I did it again. Vortex, but it's not shaped like a hexagon. It's really weird. Um, Here we have in this one frame right here, four of Saturn's major moons. You have Hyperion, Iapetus, Enceladus, and Mimas. Saturn does have a large number of moons. In fact, it was recently confirmed that Saturn has more moons than Jupiter does. If we were to kind of move some of the haze away, remove some of the haze from Saturn's atmosphere, we would see it's banded very similarly to Jupiter. In fact, as far as composition goes, they're pretty much the same. Very little difference. Here, this wonderful picture, I mean, absolutely gorgeous. You can see the hexagon at Saturn's north pole. Oops. So if we scroll down a bit, here's some images that are just absolutely stunning. There's the uh, vortex. Let's say it right. Some pictures that are absolutely stunning with Saturn. I want us to check out how big Saturn is in terms of Earth. We are very small compared to Saturn. Jupiter is the biggest. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. We have visited it a few times, all right? Um, Not as many as other planets, but we have visited it a few times. Here we have our three-dimensional model that we can check out, and we get some information about its composition, its structure, about its rings. Like I said, check out the moons of Saturn. They're really cool. Um, Enceladus, absolutely gorgeous. It's an ice world. Iapetus is really weird. Mimas has to be one of my favorite moons because it looks like a Death Star. So please do yourself a favor and check it out. Also, very famous is Titan. And here we have some images here from the surface of Titan that we actually landed on this moon. It does have a nitrogen atmosphere. It is really cold. It's just an incredible place. So check out Titan and check out Saturn on today, Saturn's Day, Saturday. Well, that's going to wrap up our themed week here of the 7 days of the week, named after the seven celestial objects in the sky that move relative to the stars. Now, you might be thinking, what about the other two planets? Well, you can't see those with your unaided eye. So, those weren't part of our original 7 day week, but they do bear checking out. Please take the links that I've been posting with NASA and just get in there and explore. You'll find some amazing facts that you probably never knew. Some that you may have known, some that might seem out there, some, I mean, just get in there and have fun with it. That's what science is all about. Hey, I have enjoyed this series. I hope you have too. I'm going to see you all in the next videos. We're going to get back to doing some hands-on stuff. And I'm looking forward to seeing our contest winner on Wednesday. I mean, just tons of stuff coming up. Stay safe, everybody. I appreciate your support. Bye.